Hi, I'm Armani, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use ARI, including its features and benefits about this latest innovation by Presidium. ARI is a handheld diamond verification instrument to help identify colorless diamonds against colorless lab-grown CBD or HPHT diamond and a wide range of moissanites through advanced proprietary technology that measures UV absorbenceability within seconds. It is capable of testing on polished, loose and mounted stones, including jewelry pieces with a closed back setting as small as 0.02 carats to as large as 10 carats, with a test color range from D to J color. ARI features Presidium's replaceable probe tip technology that allows users to replace any worn or damaged probe tips yourself, minimizing any equipment downtime. It also features a user-safe UV retractable probe tip that only activates when the tip is in contact with the diamond, reducing exposure to the skin or eyes. A 6-language user interface selection of English, Chinese, French, Italian, Spanish and German for ease of usage. So let's get started. I'll also show you the accessories that come with ARI. Included in your package, an ARI by Presidium unit, a protective carrying case, a stone rest, a quick guide with QR code for user manual download and warranty registration, an international warranty card, and a USB cable.